channel, and I say good morning because it's still 10 o'clock, and I thought I would take you guys along for a vlog. We're going to be going to the laundromat, probably Aldi's, since I didn't do a grocery haul, so I figured I owe you guys an extra video this week. And then the bank to put the rest of my 100 envelope challenge in there. I put some money in there, but I didn't want to carry like all of that money with me to the bank, so and then maybe the Dollar Tree if I feel like it, if we have time. So excuse me, currently I'm eating breakfast. It's consisted of leftovers, which is stuffing that I made, gluten-free stuffing, some peppers, onions, jalapenos, and an egg. So, and I like my eggs, I believe it's over easy, where like the yolk is still runny, in case you wanted to know. So I'm gonna finish this up. We're gonna grab the laundry from upstairs and get going. Alrighty, so it is 10:30 now. I'm loaded up in the car, bundled up because it's freezing. It's supposed to like wintry mix or snow or something tonight. So another reason why I'm going out shopping, because I didn't shop on Monday because I didn't know it was supposed to snow on Wednesday, or Wednesday to Thursday. So also I thought we had a lot of leftovers, but we don't, because most of the food was from when I was sick like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab some quick foods just to hold us over until like the weekend, or you know, until I shop on Monday again. But as you can probably see all of the laundry. The reason I have 2 baskets and Babe has 1 basket is because Babe most of the time wears his work uniform, which is washed by their company or cleaning company or whatever. And so majority of his clothes are socks and underwear and like pajamas. So my clothes, on the other hand, I am a very cold person, so I wear a lot of layers, and so yeah, I have more clothes to wash than him. We're also washing a blanket from when I was sick, and some towels and some like kitchen towels and stuff like that. So off we go. Alright, we are at the laundromat. It is about 11:15, or what I'm going to do is grab all of the laundry, take that in, get that started, and then come back out and get like my laptop and stuff. The ladies here are super chill, and they don't mind that I like sit in a corner and like work on stuff, so they're super fun. And even the owner is super nice too, so let's go. Just me. He's swamped with this snow we're about to get. What? I said he's swamped with this snow we're about to get. What snow? Snow. It's gonna be an icy, disgusting mess. Yes, absolutely. But that's his job. That's Jen. She's super sweet. Fire truck or an ambulance? Fire truck. Alright, so laundry is started. I've gone out back out to the car to grab my backpack, which has my laptop, and hopefully I brought my work phone. If not, that's gonna be a problem. But yeah, time to get to work. I also brought some crochet. But we'll see what gets done. Okay, so stuff is still in the dryer. It's about 12 o'clock now. I'm gonna grab my lunch. I packed, and my coffee. I'm gonna grab my coffee too. I try to not have coffee till after 12. I just find it sits better with my stomach, and it also doesn't suppress my stomach from wanting to eat, because that's what caffeine does. But yeah, I brought a salad, applesauce, Rice Krispie treat, I think that's everything. But I'm gonna go eat that now. So. Laundry is all done. Lunch has been eaten. I only ate my salad because that's what I had time for. Not entirely too hungry, but I didn't talk about what was in my salad. It's half can chicken, some like spring lettuce mix, and then pico de gallo, and then I had like 2 random honey mustard cups from a fast food place. I know it's at least in Virginia, my friend, because Bestie talks about it, but I'm not sure if it's in other places besides Virginia. So there's that. I think we're gonna stop at a Dollar Tree. Where's the Dollar Tree? Yeah, we'll stop at the Dollar Tree first because I don't want to come back this way. And then we'll go to Aldi's and then the Vic. So that's the plan. I'm not looking for anything in particular at Dollar Tree. Maybe some budgeting stuff. Sometimes they just have really cute stuff. There's all the Valentine's Day stuff is out, so, and probably some of the Easter stuff as well. So, or St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is first, I think. But anyway, let's go. Okay, so I just got 3 things at Dollar Tree. I didn't really see any budget things per se. I got 1 thing for the giveaway, which I really need to do soon because I'm almost to 600 subscribers at this point. I got a cute pair of socks. They had Eeyore on them. I love Eeyore. And what else did I get? Oh, I got wipes for my car because when I go get gas, my hands always feel nasty and whatnot. So I'm gonna get a pack. I got a pack of wipes to put in my center console so that I can wipe my hands. I think I'm gonna go to the bank first because I need to use the bathroom, and I don't know if Aldi's has a bathroom per se. So we'll just go to the bathroom at the bank and then go to the bank, like make my deposit, and then yeah, and then we'll go to Aldi's. So, all right, here we go. Alright, we are done at the bank. The ladies there are so sweet. Of course, we're talking about the weather because it's supposed to sleet, snow, rain, whatever the heck tonight. But we were all hating on Puxatawny Phil for saying there's going to be 6 more weeks of winter. But they're all so sweet. They're like, and I'm there almost every week, if not more, because of my channel. But yeah, they're so sweet. So off to Aldi's we go. I don't have too big of a list, but it's not a very specific list. I mean, there's some things I definitely need, like Babe needs bagels and cream cheese for breakfast, of course. Gonna get a pizza, and I need to find some other dinner idea just to hold us over. 'Cause today's Wednesday. We'll do fish tonight, pizza tomorrow. Yeah, I needed 1 or 2 other dinner ideas. Yeah, I didn't really plan this week because Sunday was crazy. I was going to plan on Sunday, and then we had a baby dedication and my sister's birthday party, so we didn't really get around to that. Like I said earlier, I thought we had a lot more leftovers than we did. We're going. Okay. But yeah, I might see if I can grab another vegetable. We have peas, and we have a little bit of bananas left. All right, we're in the shopping center where the Aldi's is, so I will talk to you guys in a minute. Alright, well, our stops, we're going to stop at Aldi's, but Babe asked if they have a coat hanger at Aldi's to maybe get one, and I was like, I don't think they're going to have one there, but Goodwill is right next door, so we're going to take a gander in here, see if we can find a coat hanger. Alright, so no luck there with a coat rack of any kind. There's actually like not a lot of furniture in there at all, which usually there's at least a dozen pieces or so. But yeah, there's like 2 desks and some like exercise equipment, but not a lot. So it's time to head home, do a little grocery haul, and then probably do a little work. I don't know. My babe's home now because he's not feeling good, so we'll see. Home we go. Alright, so we are back from all of our errands today, and yeah, we're gonna look at what we got at the grocery store. Definitely got, of course, per usual, got more than I wanted to, but all needs, not wants. So, got oil because I was running low on oil. Got pineapple tidbits because I wanted to get a can of it, but they didn't have like a lot of the canned fruit. So that's for Babe's pizza. Mac and cheese for Babe. Bagels for Babe. Cream cheese for Babe. I got some almond butter. Guys, almond butter's expensive. This was $3.89 for this little thing, which is crazy. I like to eat my Oreos with almond butter, like the Parent Trap. Salted pistachios for Babe. Chicken broth. The celery, and the carrots. I want to make lentil soup, so a lot of it called for broth. I think it actually called for stock, but I didn't check before I bought it, so it'll be fine. Pork chops for dinner. I got some pork sausage. I think I'm going to use this for breakfast for dinner because I have flour and stuff to make pancakes. So cumin is also, there we go. Cumin is also for the soup. I got honey mustard to put on my salad because my salad was banging today. Like I said, pork chops, probably going to marinate those, maybe eat those tomorrow. And then chips. There you go. Chips, I usually get Tostitos, but Babe said he didn't care what brand, so these were like $1.89 each, and Tostitos are usually like $4.50, $5 for a bag, so much cheaper. Guys, check your brands. Like, if you're really not that picky about brands and stuff like that, go with the cheaper brand, go with the store brand. It is so much cheaper. This is literally half the price, if not more. So then we have my pizza. I got cauliflower pepperoni pizza, and then this is cheese for Babe, and then we just put the pineapples on there, and a bag of potatoes. Probably gonna put that in the soup as well, and maybe make some french fries. So all of that, I think, was everything. First of all of that fit almost. I should have brought a second bag when I went in, but most of this went in the bag except for the chips, the pizza, and the potatoes. So, but yeah, all of that came out to $63.66, and yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around for this vlog, for coming with me as I run all of my errands, from the laundromat to Dollar Tree to the bank to Aldi's to Goodwill, which was a surprise stop. But yeah, we didn't get anything there. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow for Tiny Thursday. See you guys next time. Bye.